Hey guys, Derrick McCreary here with eXp Realty located here in Mobile, Alabama, and I want to jump in right quick to give you my perspective about the rising interest rates. And what does that mean for the average buyer and seller? What that means is this market and the interest rates continue to rise, it will filter out the pretenders for the contenders. Because at the end of the day, houses are bought and sold every single day. And there's buyers that need to buy a house, and there are sellers that have to sell their home. So if a buyer or seller feel like they're not getting fair market value for what they're trying to buy or sell, they're not going to do the deal, which is totally fine, because when interest rates were below 3%, you still had buyers that was wanting to wait, and you still have sellers saying they wanted to wait. Now interest is at 7%, and now those buyers that wanted to wait are pitching a fit. The sellers that wanted to wait are pitching a fit. But at the end of the day, it's your motivation. So if you have to buy a home, give me a call. If you have to sell your home, please give me a call. And if you need anything or have any questions, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to assist. Y'all have a great day. Who dat? Talk to you later. Have a good one.